Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to film a video of myself painting. I absolutely love to paint. Studio art is actually my minor in college. I go to the College of Charleston and I'm just on summer break right now and spending time with my family before I go off to study abroad next week in London. But as you can see, I have my whole little setup, my paint, a glue stick, gold leaf, and a mason jar full of water. I also set down some paper towels underneath my canvas because I don't want to ruin my table even more, even though it's covered in paint because my mom and I are both artists. But as you can see, I'm just kind of doing some up and down brush strokes with some pink and white, and it's kind of like just random little stripe marks, I guess you can say. It's kind of just whatever you feel. And then I'm going to go in with some turquoise and just kind of give it a nice little contrast of color. Pink and turquoise aren't necessarily opposites on the color wheel, but they are really close, so it still gives a really good contrast. And then I'm going in with some gold to give it kind of like a framed look, because this type of canvas is so thick that you don't need to get it framed. It just can be propped up on a desk or easily hung on a wall, so I feel like this gold around it gives it just a really nice finished look. And yeah, so then I'm just gonna go in and just do some little touch-ups on the bottom, because when I was painting the gold it got into the front side of my painting. So yeah, I just wanted to clean that up a little bit. And then after that, I'm just going to go in with some more white, because I kind of feel like there's too much pink and blue on it, and I really like to make my paintings look a little bit messy, and it gives it kind of an expressive look. So you're going to want to let that dry for probably 20 or 30 minutes, and then just get a glue stick, and you can buy gold leaf anywhere, like Michael's or any art store that you have around town, or Amazon you can order it from. But just put the glue on the canvas, and then you just kind of rub the gold leaf on top of it. And the gold leaf kind of just goes where the glue is, so you can't control where it goes, and that's just art. So you just have to get what you get, and it's kind of fun because you can't really control where it goes. Anyway, so I just do that in random places that I think look good. And also a thing that you should know is that if you get gold leaf on parts where there isn't glue, you're going to want to make sure to rub that off, because eventually it'll come off anyways, so you might as well just do it immediately. So yeah, that's the final product, and as you can see, it really shimmers in the light and is so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. I can definitely paint another in-depth video for you about how to paint. I know this one was really simple, but I hope it inspires you to paint something for your dorm or your apartment. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.